All right, Chrissy, what are we going to do today? Should we go for a walk? Should we go to the park? How about the beach? Well, before we can do any of that, we have to do our chores. Did you check the perimeter for squirrels? Did you do that yet this morning? You better check them. Where are the squirrels? I think you better go get them. Are they out there? Did you check for them? Are they there? Where are they? Are they out there? You want to go get them? Are they out there? Where are they? All right, let's go get them. Make sure they don't come back. Okay? You ready? Go get them. Some over here, Chris. Over there. They're over there. Get them. Go get them, Chris. All right. Good job. Now you ready to go for a walk at the park? Are they all gone? Yeah? Time? So we go do something fun now? Did you take care of your chore? Ready? Where do you want to go? You go to the park? Go for a ride? Ready to go for a ride? All right, let's go.